In this video, we will go over how to navigate the dashboard as a Dixie Softball district director. The first step is to make sure that you are attached to your district within the system. When you log in, if you do not see this dashboard and you are a district director, then you will need to reach out to Dixie Softball so that they are able to add you to your district within the system. Once you are set up and you are logged in on your dashboard, the first thing to point out is to always make sure you have the 2021 season selected from your season dropdown. That way you are viewing the current season's data. Once you're logged in and you have the 2021 season selected, another thing I'd like to point out is you'll always know when you're on the main dashboard as long as it names your district and your state in the upper right, as well as it has this district button grade. That means you are on your district dashboard. On the dashboard, you will notice three main widgets: the player counts, the admin counts, and the team counts. The main things in the system that you will need to know how to do as a district director is how to view your league's data that are a part of your district, including their teams that have been franchised, and also to verify that they have uploaded their players to those teams. You can do so by viewing the dashboard widgets. When you were first logged into your dashboard, you were viewing your entire district's data. If you wanted to view a specific league's data, you would scroll down beneath the widgets and you will see a list of all the leagues that are currently a part of your district. To view a specific league's data, you will click on that league's name. You will notice once it loads in the upper right, it has changed specifically to display the league that you clicked on, and you'll also notice that league is now in gray rather than district. That's telling you that you are viewing a specific league's data. That means that these dashboard widgets are now specific to the league that you are viewing. In this example, I am viewing the Stack Sports Dixie Softball League. You're able to see how many players the league has. I will go over what each of these widgets mean. Players assigned is referring to players that are on a team roster. Players pending is referring to players that are not on a team roster, however, they are a part of the league in the system. That happens when leagues do not include the team ID when they upload their player data or admin data. They will need to have a team ID on all uploads. That way the system knows which team to place the individual on within the system. If you ever see a number in this pending column for leagues, you will want to reach out to the leagues and let them know they need to manually roster their players. For help manually rostering players, they will want to reach out to tech support. Tech support's phone number is always listed on the main dashboard. The phone number is 833-683-1072. Players activated is referring to those players that are currently on a roster in the system and the roster has been activated. Activated is the term that the system uses when a roster is locked. No more changes can be made to activated rosters. Once they're activated, the league is not able to edit that roster and the team is finalized. In order for players to be added to a tournament affidavit, they will need to be in the system on an activated roster. So it is very important that not only the leagues get the data in the system, but that they activate their teams once the rosters are finalized. The admin count widget is the same as the player counts. It shows you how many admins are in the system assigned to a team, how many are pending, and how many are on an activated team. The team counts widget is again very similar. It's going to show you the total number of teams within a league, how many of those teams are inactive, and how many have been activated. So in this example, this league has franchised 29 teams. Out of those 29 teams, none of them are activated. If you're done viewing a league's data, you will go to the top and you will click District to get back to your district dashboard. You'll notice it changed now back to saying District 1, Arkansas, telling me that I am now back at my district dashboard. And again, district is highlighted and league has went away because you're no longer viewing a league, you are viewing your district's dashboard. If you ever want to see the specific teams within a league, you would scroll down to your list of leagues within your district and you would click on the one that you'd like to view. In this example, I will click on Demo League. The dashboard is now displaying Demo League, and it also has League highlighted in the upper right. That's indicating that I am now viewing a specific league. The name of the league is Demo League, so all of these numbers on the dashboard are specific to the Demo League. You can notice that there are no players and there are no admins. Again, as a reminder, admin is just the term that the system uses for coaches. It can be team managers, head coaches, assistant coaches, etc. The team counts, you'll notice there's one team, but there are no players or admins. As a district director, if you are viewing a league that has teams but does not have players or admins, that is because the league has not uploaded their data. Each league has access to the upload portal, which is located from the dashboard at the top of the screen. There's also a separate video on the dashboard that you can see here on how to upload player data. It is the league's responsibility to upload their player data. How to upload their regular season rosters is the video that they would want to view in order to get those instructions. So if you see a league that has teams but no players or admins, you would want to instruct them to watch the video on how to upload their regular season rosters. It is important that they also watch the video on how to locate team IDs as well as the play level code, because those do need to be added to the upload. Otherwise, the system will not accept the upload without a play level code. It will accept the upload without team IDs. However, they will be uploaded into the system and they will not be on a team. So the team IDs are very important. So in this case, if I was a district director, I would reach out to Demo League and I would say, I see that you have franchised one team. However, you have not uploaded your data. Please upload your data. Additionally, if you would like to view a specific team, place your mouse over the teams and click View Details. That is the same for any dashboard widget. Now I am specifically on the team that I highlighted. If I want to get back to my district dashboard, I simply click District in the upper right. If I want to view another league, I would scroll down to the bottom and I would click on a different league. In this example, I will click on Stack Sports Dixie Softball. Notice again in the upper right, it now displays Stack Sports Dixie Softball and it has league highlighted, telling me that I am viewing that league's data. For any of the dashboard widgets, if you would like to view the data that is reflected here in the number, you just place your mouse over it and click View Details. Notice for every single one, there is a View Details when you place your mouse over it. If you want to view all of the teams, you click View Details on Teams. You will notice I am now under the Team Lookup screen, which you can also access from the dashboard. On the Teams dropdown, you would select Team Lookup. So in this example, I am viewing all of the teams that are a part of the Stack Sports Dixie Softball League. Off to the right on the team lookup, you'll notice the AD column and the PL column. That stands for admins and players. So when you're on this screen, it's just an easy way for you to view that they have teams in the system, but they do not have any admins, also known as coaches, or any players. So again, in this example, you would want to reach out to the league and let them know to upload their player and admin data. You'll also notice on this team lookup screen, there is the team ID column. This is the team ID that needs to be used to put the players on the teams via the upload process. So if I was uploading the Braves team, I would have this team ID that is specific to the Braves for each player that needs to be rostered on the Braves. So if I'm doing an upload and there is 13 players on my upload that are going to the Braves, all 13 of those players need this team ID. And then in the play level code column, they need the AN. Please refer to the How to Upload Your Regular Season Rosters video if you'd like a deeper dive into how to upload regular season rosters. Again, to get back to the beginning, I will just click on District. Now I am back at my district dashboard. So again, the two main things that you want to know how to do as a district director for District Dixie Softball is how to view each league's data, specifically how to view each league's players and teams. Again, the teams are created via the franchise process. So if you see a league that has 10 teams listed, that means they franchise 10 teams. If you see a league that has 0 teams listed, they have not franchised. For further questions that you may have on how to navigate the system as a Dixie Softball District Director, please feel free to reach out to tech support. Again, you can always find their phone number on the dashboard. It is 833-683-1072, or you can click Help in the upper right. That will take you to the Dixie Softball Help Center, where you can locate not only the phone number, but the up-to-date hours of operation for tech support.